Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about PixelShot app. We can use this app to find, summarize and organize screenshots using AI. This app protects your privacy. So, no screenshots is going outside. Another important thing is this app is 100% free. This app has dark theme. So let's see how to do it. Installing PixelShot app. First let's install PixelShot app. Go to Play Store and search PixelShot. You can see AI Screenshot Finder PixelShot app. Go to it and install it. Now open PixelShot app. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. You need to allow all because PixelShot app needs to access all your screenshots. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Now it is analyzing all screenshots in your phone. This takes some time. AI Search. This is a cool feature in this app. You can search any screenshot using searching for its content. Let's try to search Oracle Cloud login page. You can see this screenshot contains Oracle Cloud login page. Let's try another one. Let's search for HTTP injector. You can see this screenshot include part of HTTP injector app. Summarize. You can see, after opening screenshot, there is a summary about content of screenshot. You can copy this summary clicking on copy icon. Collections. After you searched, sometimes you can see multiple screenshots. So, we can make collections using these. Go to one of screenshots. Click on plus icon. Click on New Collection. Give name to collection. Now select screenshots you want. Click on correct icon. Adding note. You can add additional note to summary.